Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to edit the default email message in QuickBooks Online. So your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts look more professional. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. From your dashboard, click the settings gear icon at the top right. Then, under your company, select custom form styles. Choose the form you want to edit, like invoice, and click edit. Now, go to the emails tab. Here, you'll see the default message QuickBooks sends it with your form. Simply click inside the message box and start customizing. You can add a greeting, company name, or personal note. You can also adjust the subject line for more branded email. When you're done, click Done or Save, and QuickBooks will use your new message automatically for future emails. And that's how you edit the default email message in QuickBooks Online. Fast, easy, and ready to personalize your 2025 business.